Okay guys, UPS just pulled up outside and we believe it's our silver play button, 100,000 subscribers. Liam, what do you think? You think it is?
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay, let's open the door and let's see what's out there.
Okay, the box is right in front of the door.
Pick it up.
I gotta hit the box.
Work it. Good job.
YouTube! It's signed. And close up, I can't read that.
Awesome. Shut the door. Let's go into the office. Check it out.
His table.
Have a seat. Okay, here's the box.
There's YouTube on it. It looks like someone signed the box, too.
It's got the play button and everything. And inside the box, there's a letter congratulating us. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? A whole letter, and then it's signed by YouTube CEO Susan W. So remove the letter, and now, oh, there it is. Okay, there it is. Let's see it before you take it out. Ooh, the silver play button.
It feels cold.
What's it say on it?
Kids ride for passing 100K subscribers.
Awesome.
Oh.
Let's take it out.
Whoa.
There it is.
I can see my
I
reflection
can
in
see
it.
your reflection. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
What's it made of? Like a metal.
Yeah.
And that's glass.
Glass.
And the button's metal.
Yeah.
What's the back feel like? Two
Like-
holes to put it up on the wall.
Yeah.
So we could nail it up there.
And it feels like fabric on the back.
That's pretty cool. Hold that up.
Yeah.
Let me see. Awesome. So where do you think you're going to put it?
Probably in this room.
That is very cool.
Yeah.
What do you say to everyone that helped get us to 100,000?
Thanks for subscribing and watching our channel.
And hopefully, maybe someday we
Get a
can get
diamond
a
and
diamond.
gold.
Which one's 1 million?
Probably the diamond.
I don't know. That might be gold. I don't know. It's gold. Gold. Let's try to get to 150,000. You think we can get there?
Yeah, probably.
Okie dokie. Well, we'll see you next time.
Bye.